Hello and welcome to Underwisey. My name is Soham and today we are going to talk about the much awaited return for Attack on Titan, that is Attack on Titan Season 4. Now please note that this video won't contain any major spoilers from the manga, so anime only viewers can be rest assured that you will not be spoiled for this upcoming season. And of course, hype train is at its all-time high right now and we need to talk about all of this. But if you are new here, then please consider subscribing to the channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content. Also, we're trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, so like and sub would be massively appreciated. Now the big news first, the final season of Attack on Titan is finally coming out and we also have the official release date. Now all of us already knew that this series will be officially coming to the TVs on December 7th. It would be airing on NHK General TV in Japan, and that would be the official airing of the first episode of season 4. But along with that, we also have some other release dates as well, and that is in relation to Netflix. Yes, Attack on Titan season 4 is finally coming to Netflix as well. It's not coming out on 7 December, but it's coming out soon enough. And we also have a confirmed date for it. So, Netflix Japan as well as Netflix Philippines has confirmed the fact that Attack on Titan season 4 is coming out on December 11th. Now of course we don't have any information in regards to the other countries like US, India or any other countries, but the Netflix of these two countries have basically finalized that Attack on Titan season 4 is finally coming out on 11th December. This is really a huge news and we are all eagerly excited and eagerly waiting for the final season of Attack on Titan. Now for those of you who are not aware or are not manga readers, then there is a very high chance that this final season will also be split into two parts, just like Attack on Titan season 3. Again, I won't be giving any spoilers here, but I think one particular major plot point from the manga will be the ending point for part 1 of season 4. Again, I'm not taking the name for it, I won't like to spoil you all anything here, but after that, I think we will enter into the part 2 of this particular series. Now again, the manga is not complete yet, we still have a couple of chapters left for the manga, and things are really looking very interesting. And for those of you who have not seen Attack on Titan yet, this is possibly the best time to watch and catch up with the series. Even I was not caught up with Attack on Titan up until this year, but I managed to watch the entirety of the series in June of this year. That is, I watched season 1, season 2 and season 3 consecutively, and I was so hyped by the entire thing that I immediately switched to the manga, and now I'm caught up with the manga as well. But in spite of all of that, I'm really waiting for the anime to finally appear because things are really looking to be glorious. And again, I really don't know if there will be any censorship or not because the manga really gets gory at a particular point. Again, no spoilers here, but I'm just wondering if there will be any censorship or loss of blood. We'll have to wait and watch for that. But basically, this is the news. If we get more information about Netflix from other countries and information or release dates from other countries, then I'll definitely make a video on that as well. I really hope that Netflix India also brings out Attack on Titan season 4. That would be really amazing because that would reduce piracy as well, because if we have more ventures to legally watch and legally support the anime that we love, then that would be really awesome. Of course, I don't need to tell you all about the third-party websites. I'm not going to influence or I'm not going to encourage them in this particular video, but you all are very smart, so you all obviously know about that. But still, I hope that Netflix India does manage to bring this series. And this is it for today. This was the news on Attack on Titan season 4. So what do you guys think about this? Are you all excited about the upcoming season? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. Now please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. This is Underwisey and I'll see you soon in the next video.